Hi everybody. I think it's going to be a very difficult Monday in the office. Hi everyone. We're Anna&Fil and say hello to Captain Gaston, our fluffy cat. We love traveling, and after a life as everyday city dwellers, we decided to change our lifestyle and bought a sailboat to become Liveaboard and keep on traveling. Follow along as we combine work and adventures aboard our Malo 42 GoodGirl. And indeed, while both Anna and myself were busy working and editing videos, all around us we had a lot of visitors coming to check out the beautiful color of the water, to swim, to sunbath, and to really enjoy the beautiful day. So it's Monday evening. Wilson is piloting us back to home. Well, home in this case is Marina Dalmacia in Sukošan, and Anna is reading, Gaston is sleeping, and we do have 30 knots of winds, and we're doing 41 knots over ground. It's been a beautiful day. We really enjoyed it, and we look forward to have a nice dinner in our berth, assigned berth for the next 30 days, and maybe explore the little village next to the marina tonight. And while Gaston was exploring the neighboring boats, we took a walk along the beach and explored Sukošan. It is a small, modern village, but we found a few interesting restaurants, so if you ever happen to be there, explore it. From the marina to the village and back is probably around 40 minutes. We just arrived at the island called Otok Ljubi, or the Island of Love. It's just 6 miles south of Zadar or Sukošan. It's an island shaped like a heart, and it's framed by 3 other small islands. Let me show you around. This morning we did a new thing together with Gaston. We put him on the paddleboard and brought him to land to do a little bit of checky and some smelly and maybe some of his things.
Preparing for inevitable. I will have to pull this. I don't know how many kilos, my love? 90?
22.
Yeah, right. I would say 93 kilos of a man of the mast to change this very worn out flags. Okay, I will try to film while I'm pulling this guy up.
Focus,
I'm focusing.
You know, it's my life on the line. Oh, really? My life on the line.
What do you have to say about this beautiful Italian flag?
It's the one that is making me struggle in the most.
Citizenship,
Citizenship.
Not easy.
A burden that you take with you forever.
I completely disagree, but okay.
Fuck you.
Okay.
And just like that, we were off on another adventure. This time very early morning in order to catch the only wind available that day, or that week actually, going up north. left this morning at 5 o'clock to towards north, as we found some good wind to make good progress. The forecast gave us 5 to 6 knots around 5-6 o'clock in the morning, and it would have increased around 8 o'clock up to 10 knots. Well, believe it or not, as usual, the forecast was not really precise, as 8 o'clock struck and the wind died. So we decided to change strategy, and we moved further outside in order to catch a little bit stronger wind, and so it has been, but it's been around 10-12 knots so far. The destination today is Veli Rat and Molat, which are two islands, one in front of the other, with beautiful bays and apparently Caribbean feeling. Yesterday was Corpus Christi here in Croatia, so all shops were closed. So we're also going to Veli Rat, because from what we could read, there is also a supermarket, so we can do some provisioning of fresh veggies and fruits. The weather is not really fantastic. It's been cloudy, very inconsistent wind, a lot of gusts, but nevertheless pretty enjoyable. The different islands looks okay. They look more or less all the same, really, but it's a nice view. It gives us a good background. We just arrived in the Bay of Love, right next to Veli Rat. I'm preparing some pasta in good Italian style. Anna is working, and Gaston is smelling the pines from the land and is asking to go there. After I take a well-deserved nap.
Been faster as well. And we lost the dinghy. That's what happens when a very sleepy man is trying to put it on water. Be careful, man. Because it's a bad boy, you see. Good girl would have never ever done that.
After walking Gaston for 15 minutes, he got tired, so we thought of putting him inside the backpack and letting him enjoy the ride all the way to Veli Rat. We went there through the beach. It's around a 25-minute walk. In the village we found the supermarket, which is actually a very small grocery store. Prices, of course, are a little bit higher than in a standard supermarket, and we found a couple of restaurants where we even purchased a pizza. Kotik! Kotik! Ciao! Meow! Where are we going? Where are we going, Kotik? We're going home, eh? Obviously, I couldn't resist taking a couple of shots of the good girl in such a phenomenal setting. The morning after, with a small breath of wind and a cloudy sky, we decided to change place from Veli Rat in Dugi Otok to the bay in the south of Molat. resting for a little while, we decided to go for a hike. How are we doing today, my love?
Hiking. Best.
Where are we going?
Zero idea. Somewhere
It's
beautiful.
a national park, you said. It's a national park?
Fun. Very beautiful bay with a low color turquoise, but unfortunately, as always.
I love it. But also this weekend was coming to an end, and it was time for us to head back to the marina for new projects and a new week of work. If you enjoyed these videos, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to us and it costs you nothing. And if you have any question, please leave them in the comments down below. And as we are trying to build the community, please share this video with other friends that may like them. We really count on you. Is that bad parenthood to allow your cat to sit on top of your kitchen?
Yeah.
Bye for now, and I'll see you next time. Fair winds.